Welcome to The Truth Is Here. So yeah, I'm looking at this garbage guy. He's stuck. He got stuck. He's like on some mailboxes. He was on some mailboxes. There's mailboxes over there, and he straight up. He got stuck. Let's see what he does now. I don't know if he moved them or what did he do, but he looked like he tried to move them, and he got stuck. And he's got a van right behind him. Yeah, those 3 white boxes are mailboxes, and he got like wedged in there. So I don't know what he's doing now. Yeah, but he's clearly wedged in there. I'm waiting to see if he takes some mailboxes out. It's like he's on his little walkie-talkie or whatever. I don't know why my phone keeps on doing that. Or he could be stuck too. I don't know. It's kind of weird though. What did he call up his boss? Yep, he straight up did. He called up his boss. He got stuck. He slid right into those mailboxes. That is goofy. Brought the whole crew. It's a long video. Too long. But yeah, he got stuck. Stuck in the snow. I'll do a follow-up on this because this video is getting too long. I got a whole crew out there just to get this guy out. This big old dump truck. Seen it here first. The truth is here.